Hi, this is Andrew Hunziker with IPSOFACTO IT Services. I hope you enjoyed this short video presentation.
When you first start developing iOS applications, you're more likely to use a lot of the included tools like Interface Builder, which is great when you want to use out-of-the-box, bog standard buttons and views and other pieces of interface. But what happens when you want to start customizing your interface and make it a little more your own? One of the first things you're going to do is you've got to figure out where all of those things get loaded, where you load those objects into your application. So I'm going to show you very quickly where you do that. I'm going to start in Xcode, and I'm going to bring up a new view-based application. I'm going to call it Load View. And here it comes. In the classes folder, I have, let's make that a little bigger, the Load View controller, my implementation file. This is my interface file, and here's my implementation file. And if I were to build and run this right now, it would compile and come up with just a simple gray background in the simulator. Stop that. And then if I just wanted to make, say, the background blue, I would come down here to the viewDidLoad method, and I would uncomment it. And then before the super viewDidLoad, I would say something like self view background color, which is the property of the view that's been loaded. The self because it is the I'm calling to it from within the view controller, and set it to UI color blue color. The UI color is a object that is created by Apple that gives you a simple blue color. Save before building, build and run, open, and there's my application with a blue background.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to call 888-772-0201.